So here in front of me, I've got the BMC Humvee 4CT, barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Find out more. It comes with accessories. I like that. I see an antenna. I see a .50 machine gun. Here we got the back. Let's undo this from the plastic. There we go. Nice display case. We need a tool. There we go. Take it from the base immediately. Here it is, Humvee 4CT. Very nice display. But I prefer a box package without any need for tools. Oh, good suspension. I like that. Good rolling wheels also. Opening hood, no, but I do think we have a opening part right here. Yes. Pretty good opening part, if you ask me. You don't see that a lot with a 164 Humvee. Thick doors, bulletproof. Door closes really well. I don't think there is no opening part in the back. It's not opening super smooth. Hallelujah. I mean, if it comes with opening part, why it has to be so difficult to open it? There we go. Yeah, pretty basic interior. Not super detailed, but I think in real life it is also very basic. We got the snorkel here in the front. We got lens lights. We got some windscreen wipers molded in the glass. We also have good suspension in the back. Unfortunately, suspension is pretty tight, so not very realistic. If you put it on a stone or something like this, it won't stay down, and that is not super realistic, but still it has some suspension. Here we got the back painted lights. Okay, let's have a look at the accessories. So we have this. This is for the machine gun. It would be cool if the machine gun was in black. Okay, this is for the back. Yep. And we also have this one. Let's see how we can do this. Plastic base. I think we have to be careful with this. Well, let's see if we can take this off easily. Yes, that's pretty easy. Well, let's put on this one. So you got some pins, got some holes. There we go. Then we place the machine gun on top. This is how it looks. It's all a little bit too green in my opinion. By putting some extra details on the machine, you can't move the machine gun. And in my opinion, that machine gun should be black. This is a little bit, it feels a little bit lazy. Well, let's paint it all green and put some sticker in the front for some details. Let's see, let's take this off, and then I can place this on without the machine gun, with an opening back. Looks also pretty nice. So pretty basic 164 Humvee. The cool thing is, yeah, that it comes with the opening doors. Would also be cool if there was a muddy version. I can also do it. No, we cannot do it like this. Yeah. Then you got the holes. Then you can do it like this. That is possible. Oh, there is an antenna also? Yes. It's right here. Place the antenna here. Is it a one-way fit? Yes, it's a one-way fit. You can see it. I have to put it in like this. It doesn't fit that well. Ah, there we go. Click, it says. Then you got it with the antenna. Okay, do I have some other Humvees so I can compare this one with the other ones? Yes, I do. I've got this one. This one is from the brand 596. Comes with a metal body and a metal base. Also with very tight suspension. This one has an opening part here in the front. I put the license plate on it myself. Also in the front. A very cool looking Humvee. And yeah, both 1/64 scale. Pretty much the same size. If I have to choose between these two, I definitely go for this one. This one is breeding quality, looks quality, feels quality. And this one feels a little bit cheap with all the plastic parts. I don't know. Yeah. It's not bad, but I was expecting a little bit more. I have another one right here. It is from Johnny Lightning. No windows in the side, but this one comes with a black machine gun, which looks so much better. This is also a weathered version. No suspension on this one. And the exhaust is missing. Should have an exhaust. I have another version that has an exhaust. The one from Johnny Lightning is way smaller. That is no good, Johnny Lightning. You should make it 1/64 scale. I don't understand why you make it so small. Is there an explanation for it? So much smaller than 1/64 scale. All your other models are 1/64 scale. And then the Humvee, a super cool American product, and you say, nope, we make it much smaller. It looks so cool. But the fact it's not 1/64, meh. Then I have this one from the brand Master. Also 1/64 scale. Comes with lots more details. Not super good rolling wheels, so that's the downside of this one. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. And let me know what you think about this Humvee. I like it, but I think they can do a lot better. If I see other models from this brand, yeah, the Humvee also deserves a lot better. But I've seen worse. I've seen worse. Okay, have a good day. Bye.